Hey YouTube, I wanted to make this little video on these pod lights that I installed. Here they are right here. And I'll do a little video to let you see what they look like on the Gladiator. So these pod lights right here, they came from a rockhard 4x4. The lights came from Rigid obviously, but the mounts came from rockhard. I think the mounts were like something like 30 bucks. I went through and I got all the armor for the Jeep obviously, because I talked about it in a couple videos and we got it all installed mostly. But I saw these on there for 30 bucks and I already had the lights. These were the lights that were off the back of that JK that I had that was on 40s. And it was super easy to install these. So all that you really do to install them is you get the toolkit out that came with the Jeep and you take these 4 bolts off, and then after you take them off, this side piece comes off. And you can run the wire like basically through the cowl in there, so you don't even have to worry about even heat sinking it or anything. So anyway, you can see here I ran the wire, and you can see there's 2 sets of wire that's ran. This is a wire from that light, and this is a longer one from that light there. And all you really do is this is the aux system here, and you just wire it to one of the auxes, preferably the low, and then the ground that you can use is right here. And this is the ground. So you just ground it, connect it to the aux switch. It can't be any easier than that, and then you just run it right there. And on this side it's the same thing. You take the 4 bolts out, and then you replace one bolt with this. And I chose to put them at that angle like that, just so I'd get some light down here basically. And there's 3 different types of rigid S-pods that I'm aware of. The 3 different types have different light patterns for at least the model that I purchased. There's the one light pattern that is more like a headlight that looks like kind of really straight, and then they have another light pattern that's like very broad but not very deep, and then there's like a middle one, and these are the middle ones. So unfortunately, there's no parks open right now to really take it at that I can do a night ride. But I did, kind of turn them on at night just to kind of take a look, and it's actually pretty amazing. They actually kind of come almost all the way out to here at that angle. So I mean, essentially, it illuminates every single thing in front of me. And we were the last time we went to PA, there were deer on the side of the road and stuff that were hard to see, and that would be perfect for driving in the country wet roads and stuff when there's no other cars around, and you're trying to spotlight to watch out for deer. So anyway, that's it, and we'll do a little video on this too. This is a new antenna that I threw on there. Hey, so please like and subscribe. Obviously, subscriptions really help out, and we'll see you around.